So I'm on my way to borrow Hanna's car again. I have a few things I need to do today. I'm gonna pick up my scuba bottles and also have a meeting with the Marina office because the Carib company that's going to do my refitting, they told me that I had to organize the berthing because they could not do it for me. This Marina bureaucracy. But anyway, I'm gonna have a chat with them. Also today I brought my bags, polish, some stuff because I'm gonna surprise Hanna. I'm gonna tie up her car and give her car a little bit TLC because I don't have that much to do. And also it's nice of her to borrow me her car.
First stop was at the gas station to check her tires, as I noticed one of the tires was a little bit low on air. Here they trust nobody, so I have to leave my ID card to have the tube for the air compressor. While being here, I noticed this self-service place, so I'm gonna stop here on my way back home. Here in the Caribbean, opening hours is just estimated times, not necessarily accurate. Luckily there was a phone number and my man here answered and told me he would be back in 2 hours. So I decided to go shopping. There is the shopping mall I want to visit, and pay attention to the exit road here. You really need to know where you are and want to go, because the signs are low and sometimes difficult to spot. Not to forget the extremely short exit from this busy road. And this glossy shopping mall could be like any European mall, and it's easy to forget you are on a Caribbean island. I was a bit curious how thing works, as it's actually still kind of a lockdown. It turns out to be only this gigantic grocery store that has business as usual. So I took the benefit of stocking up a bit and could even find Norwegian seafood here. Back on the road again. You really need a car to move around on Martinique. It's quite the distance between things and almost designed around the car, and collective transport is not that easy. The service shop is open again, and my bottles are not only certified and approved for some years now, but also filled up with air again. If I have time to do it before going into the Marina, I will give B3 a scrub underneath. Otherwise, I would have to do it after the refit job, as she has been sitting still for quite a time now. And a smooth, clean hull is preferable before setting sail again. I'm so happy not to waste my life sitting in the queue like this. I've been there, done that way too much. My last stop of the day is to clean Hanna's car and to give it a little bit TLC. It's actually a bit nice feeling not to only give something back, but to do things I used to do some years ago.
So this is what happened when you borrow a car to a sailor.
Just a perfect day, because it was not too hot, and I even think her cute little car looks great now. Another visit at the Marina office to check the progress, before going back to be free with my scuba bottles and my backpack full from today's shopping. And of course I noticed this barge with all these wrecks. Martinique, you are for sure full of surprises, in a good way. You probably remember a few of these from not only my Instagram feed, but also previous videos. And this one that's been sitting on the reef since my first visit to Martinique. Even though there is still tons of wrecks around there, it's really nice to see they are cleaning up. This is such a beautiful island, and you could tell there was something going on here when they started with the beach in St. Anne a few months ago. I know this cost a lot of money to do, but it's sure worth it. Martinique, I just want to say well done. This looks so much better, and also for the environment.
But now I'm starting to be a little bit worried because I cannot afford to have any delays. I have booked refitting of my rigging. I need to be there. That's why I want to go in the marina on Monday, because they're going to start working on my boat on Tuesday, and I don't want any delays. So now I'm going back to the marina again.
There must be more efficient ways to do this. I have been visiting this office now 4 times, and the first 2 times was just to register on a hopeless, totally useless website that only works on a computer. I did not get any confirmation yet, but was promised to get it during this weekend, so fingers crossed this works out now. While waiting, I'm gonna try to share with you how a typical afternoon looks like here, with the ambience and the be-free vibe that helps me to stay positive. It's Monday today, and I still have heard nothing from the marina. I'm preparing Be Free to be ready on short notice, and hopefully I will be granted permission to enter the marina today, so the big job can start tomorrow. Hopefully next video will be about my refitting job. Some of you might recognize the cute catamaran in the background. It's Christine and Brandon that was tied up to Be Free last year when we had a party in the mangroves. Hopefully it's not a goodbye this time either. It's a see you later somewhere else.
And there they go. So I just had a phone call with the marina and I'm in. That's great, good news. I've been really stressed about this. I don't need any delay, it just cost me money and I just want to start sailing. There's not been so much sailing lately, and the next episodes will be about the refitting, and then I will start sailing. So it will be a lot of sailing in the future episodes. Anyway, then this is good news. I'm really happy. So then is not much more for me to say than thank you very much for watching. To all of you that subscribe, thank you so much. If you want to have a more real-time update, I put my Instagram here, and see you later. Take care, all the best. Ciao.